A blinking blue and white light on your Spectrum modem typically indicates a synchronization or activation issue. This means your modem is having trouble establishing a stable connection with Spectrum's network. This visual shows a Spectrum modem with the typical indicator lights that signal various statuses. The image explains what each light on the modem indicates, including power, DS, US online, and link statuses. This could be due to a new installation needing activation, a loose coaxial cable connection, outdated firmware, or even a temporary glitch. Don't worry, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot this issue before contacting support. Remember, as of 2025, Spectrum's app and digital tools are the fastest way to resolve this. First, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the lights to stabilize. Next, check all coaxial cable connections to ensure they are secure. Then, use the Spectrum Internet app to check for firmware updates, as outdated software is a common cause. If the blinking continues, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button on the back of the modem for 10 to 15 seconds. If none of these steps work, contact Spectrum support via the app or call 1-833-267-6094 for further assistance. They may need to provision your modem or address a network issue.